In my kitchen, there are always ginger and garlic available. Usually, I only use them for cooking and don't think much of it. But recently, I tried a different way, pickling ginger and garlic together with apple cider vinegar. Now, it sounds very simple, but after finishing a jar and trying it for a while, I found it quite interesting, both convenient and easy to use every day. And today, I will share how I make it. It's very simple and anyone can do it at home. Before we begin, I wish you stay healthy. Which country are you watching me from? Please write it down in the comments. I'd love to know. First, I start by choosing fresh and firm ginger roots. Don't be afraid to break the large roots into smaller branches. This is the best way to get rid of every bit of dirt hidden in those tiny crevices. I usually add a pinch of salt to the water to make sure any leftover pesticide residues are completely washed away. Give them a good scrub, but here is my secret. Keep the skin on. If you spot any spoiled or moldy parts, simply trim those away and the rest is perfectly fine to use. You see, ginger skin is actually a treasure. It helps cool down your body and is packed with amazing nutrients that many people overlook. Now place those clean ginger branches into the steamer. I usually leave a little space between each piece so the steam can circulate freely and cook them evenly. We'll steam it for about 10 to 15 minutes. The scent of freshly steamed ginger is so soothing. It's honestly one of my favorite smells in the world. Steaming helps mellow out that sharp, spicy kick, making the ginger softer and much easier to enjoy. And the best part, steaming doesn't destroy any of those wonderful nutrients hidden inside. You know, ginger is a real powerhouse. It's packed with gingerol, essential oils, and amino acids, along with many other beneficial compounds. These components work together to boost blood circulation and warm up your body from the inside out. It's especially wonderful for those times when the weather starts to shift and you need that extra bit of protection. Once steamed, let the ginger cool down naturally. Please resist the urge to soak it in cold water. Now, we'll slice it into thin pieces. The secret here is to keep your slices as uniform as possible. Cutting them evenly is the key to a balanced flavor. Otherwise, the thin pieces will turn out too sour while the thick ones stay a bit too spicy. I would like to share with you a health-boosting method from Dr. Alan Mandela, renowned expert famous for natural solutions that help restore the body and improve the circulatory system.
The combination of ginger and apple cider vinegar is more than just a recipe. It is vital fuel for your circulatory system. Ginger contains powerful compounds that help blood vessels relax and dilate, ensuring smooth blood flow and supporting healthy blood pressure. Meanwhile, apple cider vinegar protects the delicate arterial lining while balancing blood sugar and boosting digestion every morning. It is a small daily habit, but a profound way to protect your heart and nourish your vessels from within.
After steaming, the ginger is still quite moist. If we pickle it right away, this extra moisture could ruin the quality of our jar. So I'm going to lightly dry it using an air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for about 3 to 5 minutes. The aroma at this stage is just incredible. As the moisture evaporates, that warm fragrance reminds me so much of the ginger chicken my grandmother used to cook. Once the surface feels completely dry to the touch, it's ready. Next up is our second star ingredient, garlic. As I'm breaking these bulbs into individual cloves, I want to remind you It is actually a remarkably powerful natural antibiotic. By keeping the cloves whole and pickling them alongside ginger, you're creating a combination with extraordinary health benefits. Peeling each garlic clove one by one can be so time-consuming, so let me show you my favorite hack. First, just trim off the hard root ends of the cloves. Then, put them all into a large jar. Close the lid tight. And shake it vigorously for about 20 to 30 seconds. You'll see the skins peel off instantly without needing a knife, leaving the garlic cloves perfectly whole and shiny. After peeling, let the garlic sit in the air for 15 minutes to allow the enzymes to convert into allicin before pickling. This is a crucial step to unlock the maximum health benefits of the garlic. And just like that, our 2-star ingredients, garlic and ginger, are now perfectly prepped and ready to go. Next, I prepare a clean glass jar, making sure it is completely dry with no trace of water or oil. Now, start packing the ginger slices and garlic cloves into the jar, layering them as you go. Did you know that when ginger and garlic are combined, they work together to triple their antioxidant power? It's a perfect duo for your health. Now pour the apple cider vinegar into the jar until the ginger and garlic are completely submerged. I'm adding 2 spoonfuls of rock sugar to mellow out the acidity of the apple cider vinegar and the sharp kick of the garlic. This subtle sweetness ties everything together, making the mixture much smoother and easier to enjoy. Apple cider vinegar is more than just a natural preservative. It aids digestion, balances your body's pH, and promotes better blood circulation. It's also excellent for managing blood lipids and helps extract all those powerful compounds from the ginger and garlic. This ensures our mixture becomes even more effective over time. Now, just seal the jar tightly and store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. In just a few days, it will be ready for you to start using and enjoying the benefits. A simple way to take care of your health every day. Enjoy. As for the remaining ginger, I definitely won't let it go to waste. First, I prepare another clean, sterilized glass jar to ensure everything stays fresh. Next, I carefully layer the remaining ginger slices into the jar. Now, pour the grape vinegar in until the ginger is completely submerged. Finally, add a touch of honey to balance the flavors with a gentle sweetness. Grape vinegar has a subtle, gentle aroma. When paired with honey, it transforms the ginger's flavor, making it much smoother and eliminating any harsh spiciness. Beyond the taste, honey is excellent for soothing the throat and boosting immunity, while grape vinegar stimulates digestion and improves nutrient absorption. Simply seal the jar tightly and let it sit for a few days before it's ready to use. For the apple cider vinegar jar, if the garlic turns green, don't worry. It's simply a reaction between the iron in the garlic and the acid from the apples. It's perfectly safe and still very effective. Every day, I just eat about 1.5 slices of ginger and 1 clove of garlic. You can also mix the infused vinegar with warm water to make a detox tea for your blood vessels. With regular use, you'll feel your body becoming warmer, lighter, and more comfortable. It's best to consume this in the morning or early afternoon for the best results. For the grape vinegar jar, I usually enjoy it in two ways. Eating a few slices directly as a healthy snack. Or I mix it with warm water to make a delicious and soothing honey ginger tea. So, with just a few familiar ingredients, you can create these jars of pickled ginger that are both delicious and beneficial for your daily health. Sometimes, the simplest things are the secrets to staying healthy and feeling more at peace. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your loved ones. Leave a comment below. Which ginger pickling method do you like best? Wishing you and your family abundant health, warmth, and peace every day.